Hello my dear friends. Hello my dear friends. We discuss about surface areas and volume of the cuboid. Cuboid, a parallelepiped whose faces are rectangle, is called cuboid as shown in figure. The example of cuboid is matchbox and a book. Okay. The volume of cuboid, formula of volume, okay, LBH, where L is length of cuboid and B is width of cuboid, okay, or H is height of cuboid, okay, understand? And total surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. क्यूबॉइड इक्वल टू, यहां लिख देता हूं, इक्वल टू 2 LB प्लस BH प्लस HL. Okay, this is the total surface area of cuboid. Surface area is 2 L plus B into H. L plus B into H. ओके, ये लेटरल सरफेस एरिया हो गया एंड डायगोनल होगा अंडर रूट L स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस H स्क्वायर. Surface area 6A square because all sides are same. So what will be formula of cube? Volume. All sides are equal, so A into A into A equal to A cube. Okay. Lateral surface area equal to 4A square. Okay, and diagonal will be √3A. Okay. Discuss about cylinder as shown in figure. A right circular cylinder is a solid generated by revolution of a rectangle about of one its sides. For example, circular pipe. एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा, जैसे ये सर्कुलर पाइप एंड पिलर्स. Okay, now we see the formulas. R is the radius of cylinder and H is the height of cylinder. First of all, we see volume equal to area of base. Base का area क्या होगा? What is the base of area? Pi r square. Here R is the radius of cylinder into H. Okay. Second, curved surface area area 2 pi RH, perimeter of base and into H. टोटल कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया का होगा पेरीमीटर ऑफ बेस एंड हाइट. ओके, total surface area will be curved surface area of the both circular ends. Okay, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया क्या निकाला था? 2 pi RH, ओके, प्लस एरिया ऑफ बोथ सर्कुलर एंड्स. सर्कुलर एंड्स, एक सर्कुलर एंड्स ये हो गया, एक ये हो गया. इसका एरिया क्या है वन साइड का? पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, तो ये अगर बोथ का पूछ रहा है तो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ वी सिंप्लीफाई. 2 pi r take common, okay, and h plus r. This is the total surface area of cylinder. Area of each end, if area of each end of cylinder pi r square. Okay, so these are the formulas of cylinders. Circular hollow cylinder, r is the internal radius, capital R is the external radius of hollow cylinder, and height h as shown in figure. Then area of each end first, then area of each end, area क्या होगा? What will the area? Pi r square capital R minus pi small r square. Okay, pi is common, so r capital R square minus small r square. This is the area of each end. Second, curved surface area. Curved surface area, inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area, what is the curved surface area? 2 pi RH. Okay, small curved surface area at internal radius plus 2 pi capital R into H. It is the outer radius curved surface area. Okay, the total curved surface area is 2 pi is common, 2 pi H is common, R plus capital R is, this is the curved surface area. Total surface area equal to curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? As at internal 2 pi r h and outer 2 pi capital R into h plus area of both ends pi r square minus pi small r square plus pi r square minus small r square. Okay, This is the complete total curved surface area, and simplify this. 2 pi RH is common. Small r plus r plus 2 pi capital R square minus 2 pi small r square. Now simplify again. Now 2 pi is common. Okay, r plus capital R into bracket h plus capital R minus r. This is the total surface area. Now volume of material. This is for volume of material. External volume minus internal volume. External volume is pi r square h minus pi small r square h. Now pi h is common. Capital R square minus R square. It is the volume of material. Okay. About right circular cone. A right circular cone is solid generated by revolution of right angle triangle about one of its sided containing the right angle as axis. Okay, as shown in figure. First, it is clear, right angle triangle. Okay. Now salient height of from the figure. First, the salient height of cone L is R square plus H square from figure. Okay. Now second is volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Now curved surface area. Third is curved surface area is pi rl, and total surface area will be curved surface area means pi rl plus area of base means pi r square. Okay, then simplify. Pi r is common and L plus R. We talk about a sphere. It is the locus of a point in space which moves such that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. For example, cricket ball, football and tennis ball, etc. If r the radius of sphere, then first surface area will be 4 pi r square. Okay, and volume will be 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, and now for hemisphere means it cuts into two parts. For hemisphere, okay, first surface area will be 2 pi r square, and total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square equal to 3 pi r square. For hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, these are the formulas of sphere. We discuss about spherical shell. Let r and capital R inner and outer radius of the sphere. Then volume of material will be 4/3 pi capital R cube minus 4/3 small r cube. Okay, then 4/3 pi common and r cube minus small r cube. This is the volume of material for spherical shell. Spherical shell volume of material will be 2/3 pi r cube capital R cube minus 2/3 small pi small r cube. Okay, this is okay. Now we can common 2/3 pi r cube minus small r cube. Okay, surface area, if edge is ignored, then 2 pi r square plus 2 pi capital R square. If edge ignored. Okay, third, surface area, if edge is considered, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi capital R square plus pi r square minus pi small r square. Now simplify 3 pi r square plus pi r square. Okay, this is the curved surface area if edge include. included or considered. Okay,